You know the scene. There it is, sitting all by itself in the sink. One single dirty spoon. Seems like a simple chore, right? Well, what if I told you that washing that one spoon is actually a heroic journey? Seriously. Today we're going to break down the profound, the dramatic, and let's be honest, the absolutely epic saga of that single spoon. Yeah, our source material gets right to the point. It sets the tone immediately with this incredible line. See, this isn't just about getting some dried-on food off a piece of metal. Oh no, this is a challenge. It's a test of your will. The sink? That's not a sink anymore. It's an arena. And you, my friend, are its champion. And that really gets to the heart of it, doesn't it? Can we take these tiny, everyday tasks and reframe them into something, well, something more? Can you actually find a story of struggle and triumph in the simple act of cleaning? You know what? Let's find out. Okay, so every great hero's journey starts with a call to adventure. And for our champion, that call echoes from the porcelain depths of the kitchen sink. The spoon is waiting, the quest for cleanliness is about to begin. Now, what's so great about these first few steps is the sheer level of performance required. You don't just, walk over to the sink. You approach it. And the preparatory flex? Absolutely mandatory. You don't just pick up the spoon. You lift it and you gasp at the absolute horror of that fossilized bit of oatmeal. And the soap? You apply it not just carefully, but with the kind of fear of someone who's diffusing a bomb. The stakes are very, very high. All right, with all the prep work done, our hero now enters the heart of the conflict. This is it, the main event, the struggle against the grime, the true test of your endurance. This is the battle for cleanliness. And this is where you see the real psychological weight of the battle. Step 4 isn't just about friction, it's about catharsis. You are scrubbing with the fury of 1,000 regrets. And then comes the moment of truth in step 5. Holding that spoon up to the light. It's like this sacred act of inspection to see if you are truly worthy of victory. After that fierce battle, a quiet calm just descends over the whole arena. The grime, it has been vanquished. Our hero stands victorious. And the spoon, well, the spoon is purified. This is that moment of triumph. Just look at that. After all that struggle, all that emotional and physical effort, what have you actually achieved? It's so much more than just a clean spoon. This is redemption. It's no longer a vessel for yesterday's soup, but a shining symbol of a battle hard won. And our hero doesn't just put the spoon in the drying rack. No way. They hold it up and they whisper these solemn words of absolution. You're free now. It's a declaration of liberation for the spoon, and maybe, just maybe, for the hero too. But, just like in any great epic, right when you think the story's over, fate decides to intervene. Our journey is about to take one final, very dramatic turn. This part is called the final betrayal, and believe me, it is a cruel one. For just one fleeting moment, everything is perfect. The spoon is clean, the hero is triumphant, the quest is totally complete. It's just this perfect, shining moment of victory. You can almost hear the triumphant music swelling in the background. And then it hits you. That feeling of absolute certainty just vanishes. A jarring question just hangs there in the air. Was the victory really won? And there it is, the final, ultimate betrayal. A fumble, a slip, just a moment of carelessness, and the redeemed spoon falls from grace, clattering onto the floor. The journey isn't over. The cycle has to start all over again. It is a tragedy of truly mythic proportions. So, what's the big takeaway from this epic tale? Well, it kind of shows us that if you have the right perspective, even the smallest chore can turn into this grand adventure. It's a reminder that finding the story, the drama, and the victory in these little everyday moments, that's a choice. So next time you're facing a dirty dish, maybe ask yourself, what heroic quests are waiting in your kitchen?